One question we hear often in our call center is, can I sign up for an Obamacare health plan whenever I want? The answer is no. Under the Affordable Care Act, Obamacare, you can sign up for a health insurance plan at any time during the annual Open Enrollment Period. For health coverage that starts this year, open enrollment is scheduled to end on March 31st. If you need health coverage for next year, the next open enrollment is scheduled to start on November 15th and is scheduled to end on February 15th of next year. These dates are subject to change and may vary from state to state or insurer to insurer. If you miss the open enrollment period, you'll need to have a qualifying life event to be able to enroll in a new health plan or change your existing coverage. An example of a qualifying event would be a permanent move to a new area that doesn't carry your plan, a change in your family, like a marriage, divorce, or a new child, a change in your employment status, like a job change or job loss that would result in an involuntary loss of your employer-sponsored plan, graduating from college, or losing coverage from your parents' health plan. In most cases, a qualifying event will trigger a 60-day special enrollment period when you can change your existing coverage or apply for a new plan.